Hi, I'm that guy that you're watching this YouTube channel for, and this is Guy with Talents. I'm going to be showing off some of my talents that I have. Each video I'm going to do a little something, either a noise or a movement or an action, and you'll just watch. Hi. Hello. That's my lovely cat, Dusty. She's 19 years old. She's an old cat. So for my first video, I'm going to be showing off one of my friend's favourites. It actually made me kind of popular in my school for a little while. Everyone who saw me would ask me to do this, make the chicken noise. So here we go. So there you go, hope you enjoyed the video, and check for more videos when I upload them. Thanks a lot. Also, don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe for Dusty.